Welcome to Crash Vest, and this is a 2D grease pencil tutorial. Today, we're going to have a summary of how to create this character you see on the screen. First of all, I'll break down how I created this character. First, get a rough drawing of your character. After getting a rough drawing of your character, you move on to outlining. After outlining, you move on to painting or coloring. After coloring, you move on to effect. Before effect, let us hide our rough drawing. Now, as you can see, I'm in rendered mode now. Now you can see the full character design and how it is. Now, to get over this again, you just first start with a rough drawing and get to coloring, get to outlining and all. So you just need to have time and take your time. And Blender is an awesome application. After that, you move on to effects, and where you enable your RAM. So as you can see, this is the RAM. It's like a cell shading add-on or a fire. After that, you go to glow. You get your glow. As you can see, it unblock the drawing on grease pencil object. After that, you make a RAM again and get a shadow that is under it.